Is your 3D printer emitting nanoparticles? Even if you can't see or smell anything, it very well might be. I'm Stephanie Hendrickson with Additive Manufacturing Media. I'm here at RAPID TCT 2023, and I'm standing in the BOFA booth. They provide equipment to filter and capture emissions from 3D printers like this one. This demo here in their booth is using a smoke machine to simulate the types of emissions that might be coming off of a 3D printer like this one. The company's 3D PrintPRO unit is filtering out what is coming out of the smoke machine, and you can see that the smoke clears in just a matter of a few seconds. But it's not all smoke machines and mirrors. BOFA recently partnered with a third-party research firm, Combustion Ltd., which provides consultancy on gas and particle measurements to investigate how well these filtration systems work. Combustion looked at 3D printers printing with PLA and also ABS material, and they compared what happened before and after they turned on the BOFA unit. And you can see how the number and size of particulate drops off when the filtration is turned on.